Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Team. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to find host key on Zoom in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tech Team. So let's go. For this, you have to open your Zoom app. Now go to your profile. Now select My Profile. Here you have to choose Profile option. Now scroll down. Here you will find the option of host key. If you open this eye, you will see here host key. That's it. So this is how you can find host key on Zoom app in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.